Is your loved one serving a sentence in a Florida prison? Did you know there's a process called commutation that can result in him or her getting out? Hey, I'm Bill Umansky, the lawman. I've been a lawyer practicing for over 30 years, and I've seen some amazing things in my time. I've also seen the horrendous impact that incarceration on a loved one has on your family. There's a process called commutation that may be of assistance to you. For most nonviolent crimes, or crimes that are not life felonies or involving minimum mandatory, if your loved one has served a third of their sentence, they may be eligible for commutation. For example, let's say your loved one went to prison for burglary of a conveyance, that means a car, for 5 years, and they've served a third of the sentence. Doing the math, maybe 18 months. They may be eligible for release through the process called commutation. Commutation is a way for the governor to look at your loved one's history and say, you know what, I know he's got a past, I know he went to prison for this, but he's been rehabilitated, and I'd like to actually allow him to be able to end his sentence earlier. So if your loved one has served a third of their sentence, they may be eligible to have their sentence terminated or commutated so they can get out of prison. It's not always easy, but they'll fill out a request for review, an application, which will state why they're seeking the relief, the commutation, and showing how they've been rehabilitated for the crime they committed. If you have any questions about commutation and your loved one has not been charged with a minimum mandatory or life felony and has served a third of their sentence, please call us at 407-228-3838. We'll be glad to answer questions that you may have about commutation and to see if your loved one is eligible. I'm Bill Umansky, the lawman. Out.